Does it still attack? I don't want to find out.
It's a bad book.
No shit, Sherlock. I hate that thing.
Am I alive? I'm alive.
Your voice sounds funny. I've had that.
Get it off of me!
I don't think you can. Wait, can I? Wait, turn around. I heard something.
I can't do anything. Oh god.
Here, ugly, over here. Did it jump off of your head?
No.
Are you still puking?
It's still on my face.
I love how it changes your voice.
What sucks is I can't tell. Okay, did the big ugly thing go?
Yeah, you're good.
Oh,
Ah! Hey, ugly, over here. No, I said over here. Yes, yes I am a special kind of special.
Oh, it's coming back!
No. Yes! I am special.
Fuck you. I'm going the opposite direction. We're gonna die, man.